In this video, I'll show you how to get a purchase order using Zoho CRM in n8n quickly and correctly. This is a simple workflow setup that can help you pull purchase order details into your automation so you can use that data in later steps, trigger actions, or keep your records organized. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more n8n and automation guides. Let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside n8n. Make sure you are in the correct project or automation flow before adding anything new so you don't place the node in the wrong workflow by mistake. Once your workflow is open, take a look at the canvas and get ready to add a new node. Next, go to the Nodes panel. This is where you can search through all the available integrations and actions in n8n. In the Nodes As panel, choose Zoho CRM. You can either search for Zoho CRM directly or scroll until you find it, depending on how your n8n interface is set up. Once you select it, n8n will add the Zoho CRM node to your workflow. After that, you need to choose the correct action. In this case, select Get a Purchase Order. This tells the workflow that you want to retrieve purchase order information from Zoho CRM rather than creating, updating, or deleting anything. Make sure you are choosing the right operation so the node behaves exactly how you need it to. Now it's time to configure what to get. This is where you define the specific purchase order details you want the node to retrieve. Set the required fields according to your workflow needs and make sure the purchase order information is mapped properly. If your workflow depends on a particular purchase order ID or reference, enter that value in the correct place so the node can fetch the right record. Once everything is configured, review the node settings carefully one more time. Check that the Zoho CRM connection is correct, the operation is set to get a purchase order, and the data you want to retrieve is properly selected. After that, you're ready to continue building the rest of your automation. And that's it. You now know how to get a purchase order using Zoho CRM in n8n. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step automation tutorials.